Hey, what's going on, everybody, and Happy New Year, Hot Ones fans. This is Sean Evans checking in with some exciting news. The Season 5 premiere of Hot Ones will be next week. That's right, Thursday at 11 a.m. We fire up the chainsaw, and you know what that means. New year, new sauces, it's out with the old and in with the new. This season's lineup is pound for pound the hottest in Hot Ones history, the most Scovilles on the table. But you know, we're always learning, we're always thinking, we're always evolving. So in addition to being the hottest, this is also, in our opinion, the most balanced heat progression that we've ever had. Season 4, it was full of bucket spitting and spice spasms and dry heaves, but oftentimes the party wouldn't really get started until wing number 7 with Zombie Apocalypse. This one, we have a few more early body blows, some fizzle, some sizzle, that'll hopefully put our guests on their feet earlier, and then boom, ramp it up even harder at the end. So we'll see how that goes. They don't teach that in J school right there, Chris Schoenberger. To set the table, this season's leadoff hitter, Humboldt House, Ancho, and Merida. Sriracha was no big deal. Valentina, no big deal. And guess what? Ancho and Merida, no big deal. But it is delicious with a smoky barbecue flavor that goes great with wings or vegan nuggets if you're into that sort of thing. At number 2, the original Louisiana hot sauce. For those of you taking notes at home, you'll notice a trend here. At the number 2 spot, always a vinegar-based hot sauce out of Louisiana. Tabasco held it down for a while. Crystal, it did its tour of duty. And now we have Louisiana, the original. It's been smoking people out since 1928. The real ones know. At number 3, the Bronx Green Market sauce. Brooklyn and Queen Majesty had their moment in the sun for 2 straight years, and now it's time to show some love for the BX. On a pound-for-pound level, I'm calling it right now, maybe the tastiest sauce that we've ever had on the show. Serrano chilies, onion, garlic, bellissimo. And then here's a fun fact for you socially conscious chili heads out there, and I know that there are many. The peppers used in this sauce are grown in community gardens all over the Bronx. Look at that. Hot sauce making the world a better place. At number 4, what the? Oh, what's this? Your old favorite Hot Ones Fiery Chipotle going from number 5 to number 4? Somebody call the authorities. What does this mean? Is the Hot Ones gauntlet getting hotter? How is this going to affect Explain That Graham? All valid questions, but ultimately sometimes you just have to shake that Etch-a-Sketch clean and just start a new masterpiece. And so we're moving on to a new number 5. This is Adobo Loco Hamajang Hot Ones Trivia Alert, the first hot sauce that we've had from the great state of Hawaii. Shout out to Hot Ones super producer Sarah Honda. Apple cider vinegar, smoked ghost peppers, habanero, sea salt. If you like them smoky, this is the sauce for you. And it's also a little bit of a creeper. So expect guests to just shrug it off and then boom, get smacked upside the face with some Scovilles. At number 6, Karma Sauce Extreme Karma. I'm a little bit worried about this one because it has some serious firepower at number 6. Our guests are going to learn very quickly that this is some next level shit. It has 3 peppers from the super hot category, Scorpion, Trinidad, and Ghost, but from a flavor perspective, it's actually one of the more interesting sauces that we've had, with butternut squash, red pepper, sweet potato. Get your karma jokes ready. And then at number 7, the heat train doesn't slow down one bit. We're coming in with some Dawson's. And let's just take a moment to admire this beautiful bottle. You know, hot sauce, it's always flames from hell and skull and crossbones, but it doesn't need to be. Sometimes you can have some integrity, some art in the label. But don't get it twisted, because this is a serious heater. It'll just boom, zoom, straight to the moon, and we're not stopping there. At number 8, it's the face melter. You know it, Da Bomb. It's a classic, and it's not going anywhere. Guests hate it, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Da Bomb keeps its place at the table. I would not want to face the type of wave of backlash that Hot Ones fans would have if we took it off, so don't worry, Da Bomb We've screwed it in. It's been cemented in its place. It ain't going anywhere. And we have some exciting news. I know that you saw it. You were looking at it from the second we popped to the wide angle. Mad Dog makes its return to the Hot Ones table. But before I talk about this hot sauce, I think that it's important that we have a moment of silence for Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage, a Hall of Fame hot sauce. Steven, shut up. Chris, shut up. Everyone quiet. Quiet, quiet. Okay, raise that Blair's Mega Death Sauce jersey to the rafters, and now let's talk about the return of Mad Dog. It's a million Scoville plus addition sauce, the holy trinity of Reapers, Scorpions, Ghost Peppers. Peep the gold bullet on the side. It's menacing, Hot Ones. It's a game that's very mental. And then you know, for the people out there who are like, but I miss Liquid Rage. What about the Liquid Rage? Oh, the Liquid Rage. Worry not. This has plutonium number 9. Plutonium number 9. I don't know what plutonium number 9 is, but I do have a feeling that it's going to ruin some press runs, and now we've almost got to the top of the mountain. I can see the summit. Bam! It's here. The last dab. And this year's harvest of Pepper X, significantly hotter than last year's harvest of Pepper X. And then you can even see it in the bottle. It used to have sort of a light green tint, and now it's this beautiful orange color, and that's because there's just so much of Pepper X in this sauce that as it evolves, so too will the color of the sauce. And that's Hot Ones in a nutshell. Always changing, always evolving, highly unpredictable. And there you have it. It's the Hot Ones Season 5 Gauntlet. Now you have your playing cards if you'd like to play along at home. And of course, if you can't find some of these, go into the archives. But we'll be right back with you next week. It's the Season 5 premiere. Thank you so much to the Hot Ones fans who've rocked with us since day one, Season 1. Those who were there at Season 2, who rocked with us in Season 3, who watched us in Season 4, now into Season 5, and hopefully beyond that. We'll see you next week. Where were you when?
That's a good at hot pepper recipe.
That's gonna burn.
It's going there. All right, moving on to number 7 and another one with some volume. This. Oh, fuck. I fucked that up, didn't I? I went from. Wait. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that gonna be a classic Hot Ones continuity error?
It will be a classic Hot Ones continuity error. No one's gonna know. Hello, Hot Ones fans. It's Sean Evans. New outro, same message. If you like what you saw, throw us a bone maybe. Please, it is dog eat dog here on the YouTube streets. Hit that subscribe button. Knowing that you subscribed, it is seriously the only thing that gets me out of bed in the morning. Thank you very much, Hot Ones fans. I love you.